Have you ever wanted to create your own custom WhatsApp stickers to make your chats more fun and personal? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your very own WhatsApp stickers on Android. It's super easy, and you don't need any advanced skills or expensive tools to do it. Be sure that you have the latest WhatsApp on your device. Open the WhatsApp app. Tap the Chat tab on your device. Tap on a conversation. Tap on the sticker icon from the left of the input. You will see different types of tabs on the top of the pop-up. Tap the sticker icon. Tap on Create. Select a picture from what you want to add a sticker. This can be any picture you take or any photo you want. WhatsApp will start recognizing the objects from the image. You see, now WhatsApp has made a sticker. Just send the sticker if you like it. On the sticker zone, you see now that it appears a new sticker. If you tap on the sticker that has been created, you will see a lot of info and an option to add to favorite. You see now the sticker you added as a favorite. You can add more stickers like I showed you a few moments ago. And that's all there is to it. You're now a pro at creating custom WhatsApp stickers on Android. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell icon for more fun tutorials. Let me know in the comments what kind of stickers you're planning to make. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.